Welcome back, M.A.J. Customs fam. If you are new here, I am Amanda. This is hubby. Right there.
I didn't mean to give you the finger. I wasn't trying to give you the finger. I was trying to do like that. Sorry.
Okay, y'all. So welcome back to our channel. In this video, hubby is going to be explaining 2 different ways to upload a design in Kittl. So we're new to Kittl. He's learning it. I'm behind on it. I haven't, not where he's at as far as getting to learn it. So he's going to walk y'all through how to go through Kittl, upload the design, turn it into a PNG, and then he's going to go and show you all how to bring in your own design and then turn that into a PNG using Kittl as well. Okay, y'all, so without further ado, let's get into this video.
Alright, MAJ Custom family, this is hubby here. Just making a quick video to show you how to download design in Kittl to a PNG. First we're going into Kittl. And Kittl has a free version, but we have the pro version because we do a lot of different designing. So I'm going to hit new project. And the first thing I do is I change it from pixels to inches. So I go down to unit, hit the down button and change it to inches. Then you want to download an image that's a nice enough size that if you have to enlarge it, it don't get blurry. So I normally go here, backspace. Yep. I want to jump out of there again. Backspace. I changed that to 12 inches by 13 inches. And then you always want to do your DPI at 300 because that gives you the best quality image when you download it. So I'm going to change that to 300. Then I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to hit create. Now, first I'm going to use a Kittl design. I'm going to go over here to templates. And let me see what I want to use. Give me a second. See what is a good design. I'm going to try this one first. When you, yep. Let me shrink the size over here so you guys can see it. Change that to 12.00. And I'm going to make this a 12. Right. Backspace 12.00. Hit enter. Now you see my image look a little funky, so I got to slide it over. Don't want to do that. Alright, as I was saying, you see the design look a little funky. So I'm going to collapse the template. Go up here and hit artboard. I'm going to bring it out some. Widen it back out. Now, you could go over here and hit the opacity, and it'll automatically change your background. It'll remove your background and turn it into a PNG. And then when you go to download it, you always want to make sure it says PNG. You want to make sure that that's at 300 DPI. Again, because it just give you crispier images. And then when you want to go to export, hit enter. You always want to hit optimize quality, remove background, and then you just export it into your files. And there you have it. That's how you change your background to, change your design to a PNG using a Kittl design. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use just a regular design that you created and download it. So I'm going to collapse that. I'm going to go to new projects. Give it a minute. Again, it got us at pixels. So again, I change it to inches.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to adjust his camera while he's talking to y'all. So sorry if I start moving. Just trying to get y'all in there. Okay.
All right, and I'm back. I hope. So again, I'm gonna change it to inches. Then I'm gonna change my size to one that's a nice size so it won't blur when you try to enlarge it. So I changed it to 12. This time I'm gonna do 12 by 12. 12. And then again, remember, you got to go down here and change your DPI to 300. 300. Hit enter. And you go to create. Now, I'm going to go into uploads. And I'm going to use a design that I already had, that I used before, which is the Hood Chucky. I like this design for some reason. Don't judge me. I'm going to stretch it out just enough so y'all can see it. Okay, now I'm going to go up here to remove, see if I use the opacity on a design that I imported, you'll see it'll take the whole design away. But up here, I'm going to go to remove background. And give it a minute. Okay, now your background is removed. Click on artboard. You go to export, I'm sorry. Again, you want to make sure this say PNG because you got a couple to choose from. JPEG, SVG, and PDF. You want to make sure it say PNG. You want to always make sure this is at 300 DPI. And then you want to always hit optimize quality and remove background. And you hit export. And it's going to upload it with a transparent background. And that's how you change it, a Kittl design to a PNG, and your own design, upload it in Kittl and download it as a PNG. And that's that for that video.
Before we get out of here, we only still have the red dongle, and y'all, I don't know why we ain't got the blue one yet, but we need to get the blue one. But for everybody who's wondering about vibrant colors, hubby, can you explain to them how the settings work when you only have the basic red dongle?
You can't adjust your colors with the red dongle. What you upload is what you get. But in Kittl, you can optimize the quality and it'll make your designs pop more.
Okay, so with that being said, if you find a design on a different website, we sometimes use Canva to adjust our settings for color, brightness, and all that before we actually put it in Kittl. Any other apps you know of that they can use? That you can do that, I'm almost certain, for free. I got Silhouette Studios, y'all, so y'all know I could do a lot in there if I need to adjust the design before we upload it in Kittl.
And Canva does have the free version, but we don't use the free version because, again, we do a lot of designing, and we're not sponsors of Kittl or Canva. We're not getting anything, not yet at the moment, but we plan on becoming an affiliate of Kittl and Canva. So wish us luck.
And we really appreciate all the feedback, all the questions, you guys. And as we respond to each and every one of you, be just patient with us because we are trying our best to answer everybody's question. And a lot of times we want to just put out a video because your question may be other people's questions, and we would just rather answer it on a video so it can kind of help everyone out there who is starting off with this DTF Pro Colored K-Lite printer, or even if you're just starting off using Kittl. We are just getting off into Kittl. Okay, so we're not experts, so we're still, you know, playing around, figuring out what we can do, what we can't do. But again, basic version of Kittl, you can't do as much as you would if you had the paid version. I'm sorry, but that's with any app, right, that we download. So yeah, guys, with that being said, okay, everyone, so let it focus. I hope this video was helpful. Well, we hope this video was helpful. We appreciate each and every one of y'all and the questions, the feedback, everything. Because again, we are on this journey together as far as with the Pro Colored printer and everything that we have been doing on our channel. I love the fact that you guys give us feedback. You give us questions. We're able to go figure it out because sometimes what your question can be, other people are thinking it and also wondering it as well. So a lot of times I do, me and hubby both, try to answer you all in the comment section. And a lot of times I'm like, okay, I'll just do a whole video. You know, we'll do a video because that way it can be explained to everyone and not just one person.
Walk you through the steps.
Yeah, and it's easier to walk everyone through how to do the steps and how to get you where you need to go. So again, we hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we are definitely coming with some more videos. We're planning on doing some more this week, following up a lot of questions that we have been asked. All right.
And I'm out.
Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.